Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I don't really have much to share, but I have this important topic today which a lot of ladies have actually been hoping and waiting to see. So today's topic is basically on the natural remedies to get pregnant. This has actually been the key to the joy of motherhood, and you all know. So what I'm gonna be using today is just cloves and a glass of water. This glass of water, once I'm done, I'm gonna tell you how to use it, not just cold or warm, but I'm gonna show you how to use it. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is clove, and you guys all know that this clove attracts attention with its taste and smell as well. Then it's also a good sexual and infertility problems. So before going deep into this video, please, if today is your first time of coming by, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up after seeing it, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So you guys all know that this cloves is actually makes couple happy with the aphrodisiac effect. So research carried out shows that this clove became famous in an ancient times, and it brings happiness with its aphrodisiac effect. So this clove, it increased sexual desire, as I said, in both women and men. Then cloves also make childbirth easier while increasing the chances of getting pregnant. So that's why a lot of female you go for this clove. So in female infertility, it can be caused by many gynecological disorders, which you all know, all dysfunctions like endometriosis, that's anovulation. This anovulation is actually absence of ovulation. Then uterine polyps, uterine fibroids, miscarriages, blocked tubes, obesity can cause infertility, ovarian cyst can cause infertility, stress and excessive alcohol. For the female that has been doing competition with guys, I don't know, sorry, this video is blunt. Oh, I never knew that it's like that. Sorry. So this actually is one of the disorders which I just mentioned, that's stress and excessive alcohol. So for the sake of girls, ladies that have been making competition, going for competition of drinking alcohol with guys, you're actually killing yourself silently without knowing, and at times might end up damaging yourself as well. So for each of the causes of this female infertility which I mentioned, today Uyimat's gonna offer a specific natural treatment, and this is a secret to curing female infertility. However, it's essential to consult a gynecologist anyway, or if you had infertility checkup to know the main causes of your own infertility. So our treatments are only made from plants, as I said earlier, and it's effective because it's scientifically proven. So these are the two cloves that I'm gonna be using today. Sorry, it's looking dried anyway, so I have to just use it, and the recipe I'm gonna be using is what I'll be sharing with you now. So it's a nutrient that makes it easier to conceive according to research done by health doctors this close. And if consumed regularly in the form of maybe one tea glass after each meal, it has the characteristics of functioning within a reproductive organs, performing your hormonal tasks and strengthening the uterus. So the ingredient I'm gonna be using is this my cloves, that's two cloves and one glass of water. Here is a glass of water. So while going ahead to share with you how to go about this, so what you're gonna do first of all is I'm gonna boil this water. Okay, Then later I'll be adding my 2 cloves. So while boiling the water, let's go right into the kitchen. Okay. Yeah guys, here is the boiling water. So guys, now that I'm done boiling the water, what I need is just to turn the water inside my glass. Look at what I'm doing. The boiled water inside my glass. Okay, here is it. Okay, I'm sure you can see the smoke coming out. Okay, so what I just need now is to add the 2 cloves that was talking about inside this my hot water. Then I'm gonna allow it to steep. So I'll be covering it like this. Then I'll allow it to steep for the next 10 minutes. When I say 10 minutes, for the next 10 minutes, or you can as well use maybe for 5 minutes. Then you do your herbal treatment so that you can conceive easily by drinking this brewed and warm clove tea immediately after meals. Then in addition to this clove tea, there are other plants with the same characteristics anyway, and there are saffron, hops, shepherd sacks, lion's rivet. I'm gonna be dropping it down the description box below, and cinnamon, mint, rosemary, chamomile, za'atar, fennel, sage, brewer's yeast, mustard, oatmeal, vanilla, and pine nuts. So the listed plants are what you could use to render the same services, that's to get pregnant. Same method, same way like this. Then you can also brew herbal tea using these herbs, and similarly you can use this method to conceive easily, as I said earlier. So these plants that I recommended for pregnancy generally benefits from the relaxing, stress reducing, and relaxing properties. So in this way, women and even men feel more comfortable to increase the chances of having children. At the same time, this helps increase the chances of pregnancy by widening the fallopian tube and the vessels of the ovaries. So as I said earlier on, I'm gonna leave this tea to steep for the next 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, all I need is, okay, apart from the benefit of it helping in infertility, this cloves is super good when it comes to alleviating stress. It's good for diabetic patients, okay, and it also reduces the risk of high blood pressure. This clove is super good for other health benefits. It reduces sugar level too, and it helps in reducing, let me say, it helps for weight loss too. It aids weight loss. So what I'm gonna be doing now is just to hold on for the next 10 minutes. Once the properties in this cloves are done straining, I'm gonna strain it and show you how you drink it. So apart from that, earlier, as I said earlier, that this clove, it contains its own natural antimicrobacterial properties. That's why it helps in infertility issues, because there are infertility issues that could be caused as a result of maybe infections, or maybe the excess of alcohol. So this is gonna help to get rid of that and help to boost your fertility, whatever. So guys, I'm gonna hold on for the next 10 minutes and I'll be right back. So guys, after the 10 minutes that I said, so what I'm gonna be doing now is just to strain it. So I'm trying to open here is it. Wow, it has changed color. This is so lovely. So I'm gonna be straining the tea inside my empty bowl here. Okay, then I'll still return it inside the glass. Still return the water inside the glass. Okay, and keep pouring it. Then here is the 2 cloves that I used, and here is the glass of water. This is a herbal mixture for the treatment of and for your treatment as well, so you can conceive easily by drinking the brewed and warmed clove tea immediately after meals. So this gonna help to boost your infertility. This gonna help to boost your immune system. This gonna help to reduce weight, and this gonna help to increase your infertility as well, to boost it. So now is actually the time for me to stir this my clove tea thoroughly well before drinking it. Okay guys, so as I said earlier on, the only things that we used was just my strainer here, the 2 cloves that is inside, and my warm water. So the procedure is not that much, but if you really need more about this video, you can go below the description box so you get to see how to go about the procedures, and as well the dosage too. So if you are this type that has stayed maybe for over 40 years still in search of a baby, so all you need is just to be taking this clove tea for like twice in a day. So what you need is just to take half of this in the morning and the remaining half before your dinner in the night or before bedtime. So this can help to increase your your fertility, whatever. So I'm gonna be stopping here now, and please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends out there on how to get a baby easily, how to get pregnant easily with clove tea. And don't forget to drop your comment on what you feel about this video, on other ingredients or recipes that you've actually used. Is it the mint, is it the cinnamon, is it the chamomile, or any other ingredients that you've actually used? So I'm going to be stopping here, and please don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified on other videos I'm creating, and as well subscribe to my channel Oyimat. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys all. Bye bye.